Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 24. This is Section 1.7, Problem 24. We have 19,612 divided by 12. And it's pretty tough to do in this format if you don't have a calculator. So if you have a calculator, you just enter it just as you see, hit equals, and you'll get the answer. But to do it without a calculator, you would do it by hand. You would want to write 12 goes into 19,612 how many times. And what you have to do is start off by asking yourself, 12 will go into 19 how many times? It fits in once. So I put a 1 above the 9 for 19, and then multiply 1 times 12. That will give me a 12. And then subtract 19 minus 12. 19 minus 12 is 7. And 7 is a good answer. It's smaller than 12. So now we proceed. We go over one digit to the right, which is a 6. Bring down the 6 next to the 7 we got as a subtraction. And now ask yourself, how many times will 12 fit into 76? Well, it should fit in 6 times. I know that 6 feet, 6 12-inch things are 72 inches, so that I know from memory. 6 times 2 is 12. I put the 2 from the 12 under the 6. Carry the 1 from the 12 up above the next digit. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 1 more that we carried. 6 plus 1 more is 7. It's 72, as I thought I remembered. And now you're going to do 76 minus 72, which is 4. Again, 4 is a good answer because it's smaller than 12. So now we can proceed. We go to the next digit over to the right, which is a 1. Bring that 1 down to the next to the 4 that we just got as an answer from the subtraction, making it a 41. So now ask yourself, 12 will fit into 41 how many times? Well, it'll go in 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3, so 3 times 12 is indeed 36. And now I can subtract 41 minus 36. I know that's 5. And now, again, 5 is a good answer because it's smaller than 12. Now I can go over one more digit to the right, which is a 2. Bring that down next to the 5 that I got as an answer from the subtraction. And now ask, how many times will 12 fit into 52? Well, it'll go in 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times 12 is 48. And now I finish by subtracting 52 minus 48, which is 4. So that there is no more next digit. So that 4 is what you would call the remainder. So I use a capital R for remainder. So the answer is 1,634 with a remainder of 4.